Hello guys, in today's video we are going to talk about the main menu. This is the window graphic. This is the window graphic of SCIA, as I mentioned in my previous video, and in today's video we are going in details about the specific menu bar that we have. The menu bar is located at the top left corner of the screen and it's a fixed location. This is the menu bar. All these icons are in the menu bar. In the menu bar, we have File, we have Edit, we have Tools, we have Result, we have Design, we have View, we have Libraries, and we have Help. For every function in the menu, it is possible to assign a shortcut by clicking at the right side and input the shortcut. What I mean is, when I go in the File, Menu, there is a shortcut already assigned by the software, but I can still modify this shortcut and put the one that I will remember easily. I can click and then I hold Control button and then I add another key that I want to be used every time I want to create a new project. Enter. The command is changed, the shortcut is changed, but I want to take it back to the original one. Control plus N. So this is what I was saying. It's possible to change and to customize the shortcut. Now let's go in details in each icon that is contained in the menu bar. First of all, we have File. In the File, we can browse a project, we can create a new project, we can open an existing project that we have saved before. We can also import or open from. We have different files that are supported by SCIA Engineer. We can open our recent projects. We can change the project settings. We can save as, we can save all, we have date, we can export, we can print, close and close all. Also, we can quit the software just by accessing the file. The second option is Edit. In the Edit menu or in the Edit option, we can undo and redo the command. By using also the shortcut Ctrl-Z, Ctrl-Y, we can modify. When you modify, we have all the options. We can move an element, we can copy an element, we can multi-copy, we can mirror, we can rotate, and so on and so forth. We can do the delete of the function, or we can have all the delete settings. We can copy and paste properties, we can add data, mirror data, and polyline edit, curve edit, and so on. In the next option, we have the tools. In the tools is that when we access the calculation and mesh, the live load reduction, the selection of element, selecting all, selecting the load by mouse, by cutout, by intersection, by polygon, by work plan, and so on. This is how good is SCIA Engineer. We can also create our report, we can check our results, the input, we can send our file in live image, and so on. This option will access them when we have a read project that we'll be dealing with. The next option is the result. Now we cannot access to some command or option in the result because we do not have any model that has been calculated. But in the result option, we can calculate, we can have nodal, we can check actually the result of the structures. The next option is the design. In the design option, that is where we check the design of our structure, we set our settings, we check the slenderness, we check the structure length, the serviceability check, and so on. We can also have our external tools that we custom our check every time we're doing our analysis. The next option is how to view our project. We can set the visibility, we can zoom, we can view, and so on. Everything that is related to the visibility of our project, and the font, the color of the line, the structure beam, the dimensions, line, the grid, the dot, If I click on the dot, I can set the distance between the dots in area, in the radial, everything. I can be defining them by going to the option view. And the next option is the library. When we go in the library option, that is where we define the layer. I can define different layer that I will be assigning different material for different layers, the name of the layers, the color of the layer, the structure, and so on. I can also define the material by going in this one. I can select which material. If I don't have any material, I can add a new one. I can insert, I can edit, I can delete these materials just by going in the library. The same way, I can also access the library cross-section. I can define the cross-section, different cross-section that are available. I can select them directly from the library, or I can customize my own by going to general, by importing the DX file from AutoCAD and then assign the material to that cross-section and use it directly in my project. After that, we have also the ability or the possibility to access to our photo galleries, but we do not have any gallery yet, so it's empty for the time being. And more options are also here when we can define the load combination. We can check our load, the structure and analysis, the backlink, name items, the tools that we can have access to, the steel and the subsoil and foundation, the drawing tools, also the dimension, the steel manager of our dimension, and so on. The final and the last option in the menu bar is help. What is this for? Every time when we are locked or we do not know what to do in software, yeah, we're looking for a command, we're looking for some option that we do not know how to use, we can just come here in the help, or we can go to the tutorial video and check all the basic tutorial that the software have provided. We can search also by using help, or we can check also in what's new, and then we have access to the internet or online library and online data that it will give us more understanding about the function that we're looking for. So that's all about today's video. I was only trying to introduce the option that we have in the main menu or the menu bar that we can use every time in our project. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.